Good morning, and welcome to today's important discussion about something that affects nearly every person over 60, yet most of us have never been properly informed about it. If you're experiencing tingling in your hands, aching knees, or weakness in your legs, please know that you're not alone, and more importantly, there's hope. Today, we're going to explore how the natural loss of collagen in your body is directly connected to these symptoms, and I'll share 8 remarkable vegetables that science has proven can help rebuild and protect your precious collagen stores. Let me start with a startling fact that might surprise you. After age 60, your body's collagen production drops dramatically, and an astonishing 90% of seniors don't realize this is the root cause of their tingling hands, painful knees, and weakening legs. By the time you reach 65, you've already lost over 30% of your collagen. This isn't just a number on a chart. This is why your joints feel stiff in the morning, why your muscles seem to be shrinking, and why pain seems to creep into places that never hurt before. But here's the good news. And it's why I'm so excited to share this information with you today. Through careful research and scientific studies, we've identified 8 specific vegetables that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. These aren't exotic foods you'll struggle to find. They're common vegetables. And number 3 on our list has been shown to rebuild cartilage and reduce nerve pain by 40% in just a few weeks. This isn't wishful thinking or old wives' tales. This is real science, backed by peer-reviewed studies. Before we dive into these healing vegetables, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Are you feeling these symptoms more in your legs or your hands? Please share in the comments below. We read and respond to every single comment because your experience matters to us. Vegetable number 8. Red bell peppers. Let's start with a vegetable that's probably sitting in your refrigerator right now. Red bell peppers. You might not think of these colorful vegetables as collagen boosters, but they're actually one of nature's richest sources of vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to make collagen. Here's what happens in your body after 60. Your natural collagen production slows down dramatically, almost like a factory reducing its output. Without enough vitamin C, that factory nearly shuts down completely. Just half a cup of red bell peppers contains more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's remarkable when you consider that this single nutrient activates the enzymes that transform amino acids into strong, elastic collagen fibers. These fibers are what protect your joints, blood vessels, and nerves from damage. A fascinating study published in 2020 in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found something remarkable. Seniors who had higher vitamin C intake showed significantly better hand grip strength, walked faster, and had lower inflammation markers throughout their bodies. This vitamin doesn't just help make new collagen. It protects the collagen you already have from breaking down, especially in those high-wear areas like your knees, wrists, and ankles that have been working hard for decades. Red peppers also contain something called capsaicin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce the oxidative stress that damages your joint tissue and the nerves around them. To get the maximum benefit, enjoy your red bell peppers raw or just lightly sautéed. Cooking them too long destroys that precious vitamin C. Try slicing them into your salads, pairing them with hummus for a healthy snack, or adding them at the very end of a stir-fry. This simple vegetable doesn't just add flavor to your meals. It actively helps repair your tissues, protect your nerves, and slow down the collagen loss that's stealing your strength. Vegetable number 7. Spinach. Now let's talk about spinach. This soft, leafy green might seem delicate, but it's actually a collagen powerhouse hiding in plain sight. For seniors, spinach is especially important for restoring joint flexibility, improving circulation, and protecting those delicate nerves in your hands and legs. What makes spinach so essential after 60 isn't just the individual nutrients it contains. It's how those nutrients work together like a well-coordinated team to protect your collagen fibers and keep your muscle and nerve tissue from breaking down. First, spinach is loaded with vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. This vitamin helps regulate the genes that control collagen production. Think of it this way. Your fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen, are like workers in a factory. Without vitamin A, these workers simply stop working efficiently. But here's what's even more important for seniors. Spinach contains high levels of lutein and chlorophyll, which help detoxify your tissues and reduce chronic inflammation. These are two of the biggest enemies of healthy collagen. As we age, inflammation naturally increases, and it attacks the collagen-rich layers around your joints and nerves. This leads to stiffness, burning sensations, and the loss of that springy, flexible feeling in your legs and fingers. Spinach also provides a good dose of magnesium, and this is crucial because over 60% of older adults don't get enough magnesium. This mineral plays essential roles in muscle function, nerve conduction, and helping those collagen-producing enzymes do their job. Without adequate magnesium, your muscles cramp, your hands start tingling, and your joints don't get the blood flow they need to stay healthy. A compelling study published in 2018 Biological Trace Element Research found that older adults who got more magnesium in their diet had stronger connective tissue and significantly lower rates of nerve compression problems like carpal tunnel syndrome and sciatica. Don't overlook the natural nitrates in spinach either. These compounds help widen your blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery to those hard-to-reach tissues in your hands, feet, and knees. These are the areas often plagued by poor circulation and collagen deterioration in older adults. Better blood flow means faster collagen repair, reduced joint stiffness, and less of that pins and needles sensation that creeps in when you're resting or walking. Vegetable number 6. Okra. Now, let's discuss a vegetable that many people overlook. Okra. If your joints feel stiff, or your fingers seem to lock up when you grip something, okra might be the collagen-saving vegetable you've been missing. Many people avoid okra because of its unique, somewhat slimy texture, but that texture is actually part of what makes it so healing. Okra contains something called mucilage, a thick, gel-like soluble fiber. This doesn't just help your digestion. It actually coats and cushions your joints, working similarly to the natural synovial fluid that protects your cartilage. As collagen breaks down with age, your joints become dry, brittle, and inflamed. That's when pain really sets in. The compounds in okra, including pectin and special polyphenols, help stimulate collagen production while reducing the oxidative stress that speeds up cartilage breakdown. A groundbreaking study published in 2021 Pharmaceutical Biology found that okra extract significantly reduced joint inflammation, improved collagen density in connective tissue, and even helped regenerate damaged cartilage. This is critical information because most seniors dealing with weak knees or tingling hands aren't just losing muscle strength. They're losing the collagen framework inside the joints and nerve sheaths. Okra directly supports the repair of these soft tissues. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. These work together as cofactors in the collagen building process. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium so it goes into your bones where it belongs, not into your joints where it causes problems. Vitamin C boosts the enzymatic processes needed to build new collagen fibers. Manganese plays a direct role in forming proline, one of collagen's most important building blocks. Without these nutrients working together, collagen simply can't rebuild, no matter how much protein you're eating. Vegetable number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli deserves special attention because it's not just another healthy green vegetable. It's one of the most powerful natural tools for rebuilding tendons, ligaments, and collagen-rich tissue in aging bodies. After 60, your collagen matrix becomes more brittle. You might notice your knees popping, your ankles feeling stiff, or numbness creeping into your fingertips. This isn't just normal wear and tear. It's the breakdown of the structural protein that holds your muscles and joints together, and broccoli can help stop this process. What makes broccoli so effective is its extremely high content of sulforaphane, a remarkable compound found in cruciferous vegetables. This compound triggers your body's natural detox and repair genes. A study published in 2020 the Journal of Cellular Physiology showed that sulforaphane protects those collagen-producing fibroblast cells, reduces inflammation in connective tissue, and accelerates healing in damaged cartilage. For seniors, this translates to stronger knees, better grip strength, and more resilience in tendons that are slowly fraying with age. But sulforaphane doesn't work alone. Broccoli also delivers vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and special compounds called glucosinolates. All of these play critical roles in collagen formation, bone protection, and reducing oxidative stress inside your joints. These nutrients don't just boost your body's ability to produce new collagen. They also shield existing collagen fibers from being broken down by inflammation, arthritis, or poor circulation. Broccoli even supports nerve health, which is crucial for anyone experiencing tingling, burning, or numbness in their hands and legs. The antioxidants in broccoli reduce oxidative damage around nerves, especially in your extremities, helping restore proper nerve signaling and reduce flare-ups caused by deteriorating connective tissue. Vegetable number 4. Beets. If your legs feel cold, heavy, or tingle when you walk, you might not have a muscle problem at all. You might have a circulation and collagen problem. And beets are one of the most powerful vegetables to address both issues simultaneously. Most seniors don't realize that poor blood flow actually starves your collagen-producing cells, slowing down tissue repair and weakening everything from your knees to your fingertips. Beets directly combat this problem by improving nitric oxide production in your body. Nitric oxide opens up your blood vessels, increases oxygen delivery, and restores nutrient flow to joints, nerves, and muscle tissue. Beets are packed with natural nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. A study published in 2019 in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who consumed beet juice daily experienced a 21% increase in lower limb blood flow, improved walking endurance, and stronger quadriceps activation. But here's the crucial collagen connection. When blood flow improves, so does the delivery of vitamin C, amino acids, and minerals like copper and zinc, all of which are required for collagen synthesis. Without good circulation, collagen simply can't rebuild. Beets are also rich in betulin, the pigment that gives them their beautiful deep red color. Betulin is a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from degradation caused by oxidative stress. Seniors with high levels of oxidative stress experience faster tendon breakdown, cartilage erosion, and nerve damage, all of which worsen without proper collagen support. Vegetable number 3. Seaweed. Now, I want to introduce you to something that might seem unusual but is incredibly powerful. Seaweed. It might look strange and feel slippery, but seaweed is one of the most powerful collagen-regenerating vegetables on the planet, and nearly every senior is missing out on its benefits. What makes seaweed so unique is its rich mineral profile and natural collagen-stimulating compounds, especially iodine, alginate, and fucoidan. These compounds help rebuild the tissue structure that holds your body together. You see, collagen production doesn't just rely on protein or vitamin C. It also requires trace minerals like copper, manganese, and zinc, all of which are present in seaweed in forms your body can easily use. These minerals act as enzyme cofactors, meaning they allow your body to actually activate and assemble collagen strands correctly. Without them, your joints remain stiff, your tendons dry out, and your nerves stay irritated from lack of structural protection. Studies published in Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules have shown that seaweed polysaccharides increase fibroblast activity, stimulate collagen production, and reduce tissue inflammation, especially around joints and nerve pathways. Seaweed also contains anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids and natural iodine, which supports thyroid function. This matters for your hands and legs because your thyroid controls metabolic rate and tissue repair speed. Seniors with low iodine and sluggish thyroids often experience cold hands and feet, muscle cramps, numbness, and slow healing, all signs of deeper collagen deterioration. Vegetable number 2. Asparagus. Asparagus isn't just a fancy side dish. It's one of the most direct collagen-repairing vegetables you can eat, especially if you're dealing with loose joints, sagging skin, or burning nerve pain in your legs and hands. After 60, your collagen matrix breaks down faster than your body can rebuild it, and without the right cellular support, you end up with weak knees, aching fingers, and connective tissue that no longer holds everything together properly. This vegetable is rich in glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, and a compound directly tied to collagen protection and regeneration. Glutathione fights the oxidative stress that breaks down collagen in your joints, skin, and nerve fibers. In aging adults, low glutathione is linked to slower tissue healing, increased inflammation, and accelerated muscle loss. A study published in 2020 in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that seniors with higher glutathione levels maintained better collagen structure, stronger bones, and lower markers of joint degradation. Asparagus is also packed with vitamin K, which regulates where calcium goes in your body, keeping it from building up in the wrong places like around nerves or in soft tissue. This is a key issue after 60 when calcium starts settling into joints and blood vessels, leading to stiffness, reduced flexibility, and nerve compression. Vegetable number 1. Parsley. Finally, let me tell you about the most underrated healing vegetable for seniors. Parsley. It may look like just a garnish, but parsley is a collagen rebuilding powerhouse. If your hands go numb, your knees feel weak, or your skin is sagging faster than it should, parsley could be the key to reversing these symptoms. Parsley contains one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C and vitamin K per gram of any vegetable. These two nutrients directly control how fast and how strong your collagen regenerates. Just one handful of fresh parsley delivers more vitamin C than an orange. This matters tremendously because vitamin C is the single most essential nutrient in collagen synthesis. Without it, your body cannot assemble new collagen fibers, no matter how much protein you eat. A study published in 2022 in Nutrients showed that older adults with high dietary vitamin C intake had better tendon strength, improved joint mobility, and stronger dermal collagen thickness, especially in the knees and hands. But parsley doesn't stop there. It's also rich in apigenin, a powerful plant flavonoid shown to reduce inflammation in collagen-producing fibroblasts. This means parsley doesn't just help you build collagen. It helps your body protect it once it's formed. My dear friends, tingling hands, weak legs, and stiff joints aren't just inevitable signs of aging. They're red flags that your collagen is disappearing. By the time these symptoms show up, your body has already lost 30 to 40% of its natural collagen stores. But now you know the truth. You don't need expensive powders or painful injections. You just need the right vegetables, eaten daily in the right way, to help your body rebuild from the inside out. From parsley and spinach to seaweed and okra, these 8 vegetables are backed by science to restore collagen, protect your nerves, strengthen your joints, and bring life back into your legs and hands. Don't wait until it's too late. Start tomorrow, one vegetable at a time. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal and regenerate when given the right tools. Now, we want to hear from you. What symptom are you trying to address? Is it tingling hands or weak legs? Please share your answer in the comments below. We're reading and replying to every single one because your journey matters to us. And if this information has helped you, please hit that subscribe button because we're committed to bringing you new videos every week to keep you strong, steady, and thriving after 60. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can take control of our health and maintain the strength and vitality we need to enjoy our golden years to the fullest. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I look forward to hearing about your success with these powerful, healing vegetables.